Hi everyone, welcome back to the new video in this channel. Today I will guide you how to change YouTube language on mobile. For that, let's hop into the YouTube application. So once you get access to the YouTube application, you need to tap on profile, which is at the bottom right corner of YouTube. Then tap on the gear icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And here on the settings page, when you scroll down, here you won't find any languages settings option. So what you need to do is you need to hop into the settings of your device. Then here you can see additional settings option, tap on it and now tap on language and region. Here you need to tap on the edit of language and you can easily change your default language here. Once you change the default language of your device, then the language of YouTube also automatically changes. So doing so, you can easily change YouTube language on mobile. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.